Welcome back to HR Auto's Reviews, your ultimate destination for the latest, most powerful, and most exciting cars in the world. If you're passionate about performance, luxury, and cutting-edge automotive technology, make sure to subscribe, because here, we bring you the true story behind every machine. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a car that represents a bold shift in performance engineering. This is the Mercedes-AMG C63. And this time, it's not just an upgrade, it's a complete revolution. Let's start with the design, because one look at this car, and you instantly know it means business. The 2026 AMG C63 comes with a more aggressive, muscular, and futuristic appearance than ever before. At the front, you get the iconic AMG Panamericana grille with vertical slats, giving it a dominant and unmistakable road presence. The slim LED headlights, enhanced with digital lighting technology, add a sharp and modern touch. The front bumper features large air intakes, not just for aesthetics but for real aerodynamic performance and cooling efficiency. Everything here is purpose-built. Moving to the side profile, the car perfectly captures the essence of a high-performance sports sedan. A wide stance, flared wheel arches, and large AMG alloy wheels give it a planted and powerful look. The aerodynamic lines flow smoothly from front to rear, improving both efficiency and stability at high speeds. At the rear, the quad exhaust tips, aggressive diffuser, and sleek LED taillights complete the performance-focused design. It looks fast even when standing still. Now let's talk about what truly makes this car groundbreaking, the powertrain. Under the hood, the AMG 2.0L turbocharged hybrid engine replaces the traditional V8, and yes, this has been one of the most talked about changes. But what AMG has done here is nothing short of engineering brilliance. This advanced hybrid system combines a high-performance turbocharged four-cylinder engine with an electric motor mounted on the rear axle. The result, a combined output of around 670 horsepower. That's right, a four-cylinder engine delivering supercar-level performance. The electric motor provides instant torque, eliminating turbo lag and delivering explosive acceleration. The car can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just about 3.3 seconds. It's not just quick, it's brutally fast and incredibly responsive. Power is delivered through the AMG SpeedShift 9-speed automatic transmission, which offers lightning-fast gear changes and seamless power delivery. The 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction, allowing the car to put all that power down efficiently, even in challenging conditions. But performance isn't just about straight-line speed, and that's where this car truly shines. The handling is exceptional, with adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering, and advanced chassis control systems. The AMG C63 feels incredibly stable and precise. Whether you're pushing it on a track or cruising on the highway, the confidence it delivers is unmatched. Now step inside, and you enter a world where luxury meets cutting-edge technology. The interior of the 2026 C63 is designed like a high-tech cockpit. Premium materials like leather, carbon fiber, and brushed metal create a refined yet sporty atmosphere. The AMG performance seats are not only comfortable but also provide excellent support during aggressive driving. The dashboard is dominated by a fully digital instrument cluster and a large vertical touchscreen powered by the MBUX infotainment system. This system is intuitive, fast, and packed with features. It also includes an AI-based voice assistant that responds naturally to your commands. The AMG steering wheel features a flat-bottom design with integrated touch controls and drive mode selectors. This allows you to switch between different driving modes like Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and Race, all at your fingertips. In terms of comfort and convenience, this car has everything you'd expect from a luxury performance sedan. Dual-zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats, wireless charging, and a premium Burmester sound system all come together to create an exceptional in-cabin experience. Safety is also a top priority. The 2026 AMG C63 comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. These features ensure that performance never comes at the cost of safety. Now let's talk about the driving experience, the real soul of this car. The moment you press the accelerator, The electric motor delivers instant response, while the turbocharged engine kicks in to provide sustained power. The result is a smooth yet aggressive acceleration that feels both controlled and exhilarating. The steering is precise, the braking is strong, and the overall balance of the car is incredibly refined. This is a machine that connects with the driver, making every drive engaging and memorable. Of course, there's one big question that enthusiasts always ask: can this hybrid setup truly replace the legendary V8? The answer isn't simple. The old V8 had a unique sound and character that many people loved. But this new hybrid system offers significantly better performance, improved efficiency, and advanced technology that represents the future of AMG. It's different, but it's also better in many ways. Fuel efficiency has improved compared to previous generations, thanks to the hybrid system. There's even an electric-only driving mode for short distances, making it more practical for city driving. When it comes to pricing, the AMG C63 sits firmly in the premium segment. But considering the level of performance, innovation, and luxury it offers, it delivers strong value for what you're getting. If you're someone who wants a car that can handle daily driving with comfort and refinement, while also transforming into a high-performance beast when needed, this car checks all the boxes. The Mercedes-AMG C63 is not just a car, it's a statement. A statement that performance is evolving, and the future belongs to intelligent, electrified power. And this is just the beginning. So guys, that was our detailed review of the Mercedes-AMG C63. What do you think about this new hybrid direction? Do you miss the V8, or are you excited about the future of performance? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to HR Auto's reviews, because here, we bring you the real performance stories behind the world's best cars. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, drive safe and stay passionate about cars. Car Running Dash.